Hello and welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Hindi Diwas 2022. Hindi Diwas or National Hindi Day is celebrated every year on September 14. The day aims to mark the adaptation of Hindi written in Devanagari script as the official language by the Constituent Assembly on September 14, 1949. The first Prime Minister of the country, Jawaharlal Nehru, decided to celebrate Hindi Diwas on September 14. Apart from Hindi Diwas, World Hindi Day is observed on January 10. World Hindi Day commemorates the anniversary of the first World Hindi Conference held in Nagpur on January 10, 1975. Now, information about Hindi. Hindi got its name from the Persian word Hind, meaning land of the Indus River. Turkish invaders in the early 11th century named the language of the region Hindi, language of the land of the Indus River. It is the official language of India, English being the other official language. Hindi is also spoken in some countries outside India, such as in Mauritius, Fiji, Suriname, Guyana, Trinidad and Tobago, and Nepal. Hindi in its present form emerged through different stages, during which it was known by other names. The language has other variants as well, like Awadh, Braj and Khadi Boli.